All right. Alrighty. This is welcome. God damn it. Welcome back to another vlog, and this is future me editing past me from like 2 months ago probably now. I'm a terrible YouTuber. A lot of everything that went on like in the past 2 months have been not planned, and so I have YouTube clips. I have a video for you guys, but it's just kind of all over the place. I'm not proud of it, but I'm just going to, slap some content out for you guys. So for some context, I'm at the Junkyard pulling a 6.0. I came across it accidentally. I didn't know it was going to be there. So you'll see that. I'll explain why I'm getting the 6.0. And then it's just like random clips of me taking the engine apart. You'll see that too. And then we'll go from there.
We are here at my local pick and pull, and I say we because I got the homie with me. If you guys already saw, I don't know what clips I'm gonna put in what order, but the 5.3 took a dump. Oil and water mixed. They made a lovely mixture in my radiator, and so I was gonna just find heads, right? But if there's a 6.0, aka Denali over here, then let's go. Alright, let's get this shit out, boys. Bro, watch these seatbelts rip right now.
Don't even say that.
Oh, God. I ended up getting extremely lucky, and I landed on a LQ4 6.0 liter LS Freedom engine. So I had the funnel filled about yay right here, right? And I go and turn on the car, and immediately I started getting in like a really not normal amount of bubbles, but I kind of looked over it, and the bubbles kind of stayed consistently for about 5 minutes, and that's when I knew, something was gonna be wrong. But I kind of just ignored it, did more laps. I did what a normal drifter would do. And then when I get home and not touch the car for a month and then sign up for another event, and then I finally decide to start looking at it, and then we find problems. Now, I've already gotten ahead of myself, and I took off one head because I needed to know the status of everything. And this trash, it ended up falling in just now, but everything looks amazing. Not only was the car maintained, or the Yukon SUV maintained, but this already has multi-layered gaskets. It's had a bunch of maintenance done. Everything looks great. I'll show you guys under that soon, but it looks amazing. Now I want to take off the other head, inspect that, and kind of see where we're at with this engine. All right, we're gonna set this up on the time-lapse mode, get everything ready to go. Honestly, at my local pick and pull, 6.0s don't last ever, like more than a couple days, a week at most. I've been to the Junkyard multiple times where I'm there for BMW parts, and I see that there's like, I don't know, a Cadillac Escalade, something like that, or a 2500 HD, and I go just to look at it, and it's just stripped, gone. And it would be up on the website for maybe like 2 days. So the fact that I found this off a car that's been there for 4 months is insane. And my best guess is that on the website, they labeled it as a 2006 Yukon. That's it. But when you go up to the car, it's 2006 GMC Yukon on the little sticker. And on the side, it's debadged, but you can still see the adhesive. It said Denali on it, right? And I guess people didn't even bother to walk up to the car and check it out because they thought it had a 5.3 or something. And then here we are with the 6.0. I'm just excited, man, because the E30 is just going to get that much cooler. I don't know what I'm going to... Well, I do know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to drop it in the engine completely refreshed. I'm not going to do a cam just yet. When I build my other chassis and I have to transfer the motor, then I'll do the cam. Judge me all you want. It is not about horsepower. If anything, if I throw more power now, all I'm going to be doing is just wasting more tire quicker, which I don't want. The car has plenty of grip. I am a drifter, not a drag racer. If I was a drag racer, maybe I'd throw in a cam, but that's not important. I'm still going to get a huge power gain from the 5.3 to a 6.0. I'm assuming around like 30, 40-ish horsepower just because of the block itself, the displacement. And I'm going to notice that fat difference in power. I'm actually excited about it.
Hello, future me again. So I got to explain some stuff. So from the last clip, I'm taking apart a 6.0. And then the very next clip, I'm pulling a 5.3. I didn't have a lot of time to record because in a span of 2 weeks, I had to Junkyard pull a 6.0, get that rebuilt and put together, pull out the 5.3, take off the trans and everything because I got to transfer it, right? Drop in the 6.0 and then get it dyno tuned all in a span of, I think it was 2 weeks if I remember correctly. So I didn't have a lot of time to record. So in the next clip, I'm suddenly pulling a 5.3 out of the car. Didn't record any of the progress because I work and I'm busy. And so enjoy the next few clips.
Right?
Yeah, pull it.
Is it?
Yep. Yep.
You walk it all the way out?
Yep. Stop it. Go. Go, more. I almost crushed my arm. I wanted to let go, like my back was maxed out.
All right, good stuff. All right, so if you came to this channel to find out how to pull an LS engine, you're on the wrong channel. We already did it. Yeah, I hope I'm holding this right. I'm a terrible YouTuber. We're on a time crunch. We both work full-time jobs, and we got to my house and just started, going ham. But 3 hours later, and the engine is pulled, which is great. On further inspection, I'll do a video of like a close-up, but I see 0 damage to the heads. Water and oil did mix 100%. I should probably turn this off. Water and oil did mix 100%, but there's no cracks in the heads, meaning I probably warped the heads. I can see it, you guys can't, but yeah, good stuff, man. All we got to do is we're waiting for the heads on the 6.0 from the machine shop. Turns out both heads on a cylinder, there was valves leaking. So we know why the car was in the junkyard, leaking valves. And they did every part and its mother for service. But, I mean, you can't fix leaking valves unless you do a valve job. So waiting on that. Once that comes and gets here, I can start assembling. I have all the parts ready to go and placed and ready. I don't know what to say, dude, but...
And future me to close out the video because I couldn't find a clip of me closing it out. That's what I got for this video. It's super all over the place. I normally would not post something like this because I don't like the content, but whatever, man. I haven't posted in a really long time and I recorded this stuff, so might as well use it. But thank you guys for watching. There's been a lot going on. And so look forward to a 6.0, and I do have a dyno video. I have a whole rebuild video. I haven't looked through the clips just yet. I don't know if I'm going to post that, but I definitely have a dyno video. Get ready for more of that. and then future me coming in because I'm pretty sure I didn't record enough. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, let them know that I suck at what I'm trying to do. And that's it. Peace.